Hi, Sister Crawford. For my project, I decided to do a music video, and I thought it would be super fun to do the song Lost in the Woods from Frozen 2. And just in case you maybe haven't seen the movie or need a refresher of just how awesome the song is, I put a little slide together just with some pictures of Kristoff singing this song. I just think it's so hilarious. I love that it's like so dramatic and like in the 80s style, and I think it's just so much fun. I think it would be really fun to try to recreate this. Um, I'm excited. This is going to be really awesome. So the song's called Lost in the Woods. It's written by Robert Lopez and Kristen Anderson Lopez. And here I've listed the lyrics to the song. And so for this music video, I will be performing both vocals and a piano accompaniment. And also, since in the song there's like electric guitar, I don't have a guitar, I don't play the guitar, but I have a keyboard that I can use the electric guitar like sound on that. So I thought that would be kind of fun adding that as well. And for the audio, June 10th through and 11th, I will be recording my vocals and the piano accompaniment using my Fifine microphone, USB mic. And then the 12th and 13th is when I will spend editing the audio. And then for my video, I will be filming using my backyard and just some parks in my neighborhood that have some nice scenery. And also, there's some woods right down the street from my house that I thought would be perfect because the song is Lost in the Woods, and that's kind of perfect to just go in the woods. And then I will be filming on the 15th, 16th, and 17th, and then editing from the 18th to the 20th. And so costumes, I obviously will have parts where I'm dressed like Kristoff, and then I thought it'd be fun to do some like the reindeer, because in the movie the reindeer are like doing the backup singing. I think that's hilarious. And also I think it would be fun since it's kind of in the 80s music style. I think it would be really fun and funny to kind of dress up like I'm from the 80s and like have my hair all crimped and stuff. I think that would be funny as well. So that's my plan for this music video. I'm very excited, and I think it's going to be a really fun project. Thanks for watching.